If you're using Toast POS and you're not using SMS marketing, you're missing out one of the fastest ways to get customers back. My name is Hiro. I work with 30 plus restaurants, and on this channel, I'm gonna share restaurant marketing strategies, industry news, and the systems that actually grow restaurants. In this video, I will show you exactly how to send SMS marketing campaigns using Toast step by step. Okay, so you can click marketing on the left sidebar and you see SMS marketing. So you click that and you're gonna see SMS marketing dashboard. Looks like this. To start, you need to get your business phone number. So I will show you what it looks like. So you can do on Toast. You can submit your information and you register and you can get your business phone number to send out messages. It takes like a couple days. And you can see monthly summary. Depending on your subscription, you can get 1,000 text messages or 2,000, 3,000, so you can choose it. And you can increase your text limit as you grow your subscribers. So it's like a Toast email marketing. You can have automation campaigns for text as well. So follow up or reward frequent guests, welcome new subscribers. So you can have a automation. But I suggest don't do too much automation because people don't like getting text from restaurants a lot. So I suggest one or two. And now we're gonna create campaign. So it's very straightforward. It's very easy to use. You can actually create with AI. You can ask ChatGPT to get the text for you. Usually, so it's like, "Hi, your customer name, and we have special this week. Oh, here's your coupon." So you can come up with the text depending on what you want to send out, depending on marketing strategies, and you can actually show the promotion if you have promotion, or if you want to send out a website link or online order link, you can add that as well. And you can send out image if you have promotion, you design it. If you want to send it out to your subscribers, you can do that too. And you can choose send now or custom send date. So you can actually choose when do you want to send out your text messages. And it always shows the preview, so you can see what it looks like on your end. And if you go back to the dashboard, you can scroll to the bottom and you can see how many subscribers you have. And there's some resources that Toast provided. For example, you can have QR code, or you can have a link for your social media or for your website. So if you need it, I would suggest using these resources. If not, you can just grab a link and then connect it to your website. Or customers can sign up through online order or loyalty program or receipts that they have. So there are multiple channels that you can actually encourage people to join. But that's pretty much it. It's very simple, straightforward. If you have any questions, let me know. This is very helpful. You don't want to send out so many texts, one or two per month at least, in my opinion and from my experience as a marketer. But it definitely works if you send out a text at the right time and at the right audience. So definitely recommend using this. That's how you send SMS marketing using Toast POS. SMS marketing works great because it's direct, it's fast, but only when you are sending right targeted audience and at the right moment. If this video helps, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And if you need any help with Toast marketing or restaurant marketing in general, I put my free consultation link below so that you can book a time with me. I'll see you in the next video.